Hi everyone, welcome to the course. My name's Nick Bergen, and I'll be your instructor in the course. In this course, we're going to be looking at the role of small business and the management of some of the important aspects in business. This course is going to be an interesting course in terms of learning the important aspects of running a business. You'll notice that running a business takes a lot of time. And one of the keys to running a business and being successful at it is defining and connecting key resources in the process. Small business owners are responsible for managing all aspects of the company, and they want to be around good people, and you want to have good people around to ensure that you can be successful at what you do. Management is commonly defined as the alignment and coordination of multiple activities in an organization. So business owners use a lot of their skills to accomplish the goals that they're looking to achieve. And small business management requires owners to mix a role of education, their knowledge, and bringing a lot of expertise into the corporation. Now, this is going to be the overview of the course. If you click on the module page, you'll see this about the course page. This will go over all the information about the course and what you expect to look at. You'll notice this will be an effective way to understand how the course is going to be laid out. You'll notice that we have the syllabus right here. It's important to review the syllabus and more specifically the course schedule. This will outline a lot of what we're doing and what to expect each week. You'll notice that the course is broken down into weeks. And for every week, you're going to have various types of activities to complete. You'll be wanting to look over my overviews, my resources that I've included, and make sure to complete the graded activities, as those will be very important in terms of your aspect. We're going to be covering a lot of different topics. We're going to be looking at first the role of the entrepreneur. The entrepreneur is the one that's really has started a small business. He's the one that's really searched out a lot of information on how to do things. And you'll notice that an entrepreneur is very important because he's the one that starts with the idea to really bring about a lot of opportunities. And when we look at the role of small business, we have to find what the role of an entrepreneur will be in this in terms of managing their resources. So we're going to look at developing small business plans and the overview of these plans. And then after we do that, we're going to have to review financial statements. When we look at financial statements, you'll notice that we're going to be facing a lot of different challenges to be able to review those. And then the other aspect we're going to focus on is customer relationships. And building customer relationships is extremely important. You want to keep a base of your consumers, and keeping a base of consumers is critical because a lot of us don't realize how important consumers are to a small business. Then we're going to look at pricing strategies. It's okay if we look at these strategies, but we have to implement them effectively to make the best decisions possible. And then after we do that, we're going to focus on the role of operations. And the role of operations is going to be critical for small business. After we get our business up and moving, we have to make sure to look at a lot of different aspects. And these different aspects are important. And you'll also be looking at creating a small business project. And that's something we'll be covering as well in detail. But I really look forward to your effort in the course. And if you have any additional questions, let me know, as I welcome any ideas and look forward to your successful completion in the course.